Hello guys, so today we are going to find out how to add the subtitle text right like this using a template file which will only take you like 1-2 minutes. So you can add this like this for any YouTube video you want or any video platform. So let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. So in this video we are going to find out how to make a subtitle file. This is from Methu sir. So let's just talk what is a subtitle file. So subtitle file is the text that you see in the bottom of the video when you turn on captions like in YouTube or Facebook. So when making a subtitle file, there are two options you can choose. The first option is, as you can see on the screen, you can pay for it, and second one is you can make one. So we'll come back to the making part later. So first let's look what is pay for it. So open your browser and search in Google audio to text transcription file. Audio to text transcription. Then you will find a lot of sites. You can choose the best for you. Now I will go to the first site like right here, and then here you will have to pay for it. So it's like $12 per month, or you can get it for free for like 3 imports. If you don't have that much videos to make captions, then I would recommend this site, otter.ai. So now we have done with the paying for it. Now let's make it. So go to the description of the video if you want. I have made a template file where you can use it as a subtitle file. So I will paste the link to the browser. I'm gonna close this up. Now here it says subtitle template.sdv. So go ahead and download this file. It is like 492 bytes. This is in SDV format, which is the subtitle format for YouTube. Now go ahead and download this file. They will ask where to save it. I'm gonna give it somewhere right here. Now let's close this one and go to the downloads folder. Then you will see the subtitle template.sdv file right here. Now go ahead and right click it and open it with Notepad. Now here is the format. So the first one is hours, the second one is minutes, third one is seconds, and the last one is milliseconds. So you will have to put a comma between them, and again the same order: hours, minutes and seconds and milliseconds. After that, in the next line you can add your title. You don't want these marks, I just added to say this. Now I have put it with a 5-second pause. So this is from 0 to 5 seconds, and this is from 5 to 10 seconds, this 10 to 15, and like that. So let's just change this one. I'm gonna type something here. For this one I'm gonna add hello guys and welcome, and this is a test subtitle file. So you can add anything you want. I'm gonna keep this as they are because it will take a lot of time to edit them. Now go ahead and go to file and then click save, or you can click Control save from your keyboard. Now after this is saved, you will have to again go to your browser and just go to the YouTube studio. So in this case is my just search channel. Now go to content and then you can select any video you want. I'm gonna choose the first one right here. So YouTube has automatically created a subtitle for this video in some parts. So you can go here and click upload file right here. You can click with timing because we added timing to that one. Then click continue. Now go ahead and choose the file. So it is right here, subtitle template.sdv. Now go ahead and open that one. Now you will see from 0 seconds to 5 minutes, from 0 seconds to 5 seconds it goes this hello guys and welcome, and then it will say from 5 to 9 seconds it will say this is a test subtitle file. Now you can click here save. Go ahead and click done right here. Now go to the link to watch it. Now I'm gonna open this up. This is the BeamNG track day video I made few days ago. I'm gonna stop the sound right here. Now if you go right here you will see this closed subtitles / closed captions, and if you click it right here then you will see this subtitle coming here. Let me drag it to the 0.00. Now it says hello guys and welcome to the 2 until 5 seconds, and then this is a subtitle file and you can add as much as you want. This we didn't edit these things. And yeah, this is it for this video. If this video worked for you, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching this video.